How to change automatically translate on WeChat. What's up everyone? In today's video I'll show you guys how you can easily turn on the automatic translate button on WeChat. The first thing you're going to have to do is go ahead and open up your WeChat app and make sure that you are logged into your account. And once you are logged in, you can just go to the chat and see your messages. So if you received any voice messages or any of your text messages and you want to change it or translate them, tap on the me icon at the bottom right. Then you'll find the settings menu. Head over there. Once on your settings, find the general option right under chats. Go to general and then here you'll have an option called translate. You can just tap on this and then change your preferred language to which you want to translate to. I'm just going to select English and then you can turn on the auto translate messages received in chats. Once enabled, all of the messages in chats will be automatically translated. So if you go back and if someone sends you a text message on a different language, it will automatically be translated to in English and you can easily understand that. So that's pretty much it guys. I hope this tutorial was helpful. I'll catch you guys on the next one.